Okay, let's quickly look into Nasdaq. Quickly. I don't want to make this video long. So starting from weekly, let's look at what actually transpired last week. Where this bearish pin bar. Okay, so it's similar to that, as you can see. Okay, however, we want to treat this one differently. But same concept. Mainly because we are around these lows. Okay, around these lows. So price is most likely to create a gap, probably a gap down or gap up. Okay, I cannot speculate on that depending on how heavy the news were over the weekend. But if they were super heavy, obviously we're going to get some sort of a gap down. But this is our signal for now. Remember, I'm keeping everything to basic level. So this is our signal, bearish pin bar on weekly, whatever I call it shooting star, whatever I call it, I don't care. But what I do is I use the word pin bar for any sort of a candlestick that looks like this, because it doesn't matter if you know the candle by name or whatever the case, but what's mostly important is to actually know what's actually happening, the story behind the candle. So the story behind the candle there is that buyers were up there. If you remember, during the week they pushed price to somewhere around 8,000, and I think it was on Wednesday when we had the free class, and I was showing you guys that 8,000 is actually important because that's where a lot of sellers are gonna be pushing back down price, right? So buyers pushed up, but they couldn't hold, so they got rejected and they closed lower. And this close was actually lower than last week. Last week, or rather week before last, uh, price closed there, and this week it closed much lower. So should we get gap low? Obviously, you cannot sell low. You can't sell low. What you want to do is to actually, if you want to sell this pin bar, remember our reference is this pin bar for now because the market hasn't opened. So you want to look for a sell somewhere up there, at least towards that. It will be much clearer on lower time frames. If you go to daily, okay, it's not clear what's happening, but that pin bar is actually the collection of 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see it's a move up which buyers pushed, and then they came back down and closed near the high, okay, near those daily highs, collection of those daily highs. So obviously if we gap low, price might go down a bit. I cannot speculate. Price might close the gap instantly. I cannot speculate on that, right? But the idea is to actually look at this whole V, which is a pin bar, as I've said. For sure, you've never had that before, or you've never seen it before. It doesn't matter even if you have heard it. Doesn't matter. If you've never heard it, well, you're hearing it from me. Those pin bars are actually V patterns. Okay, so on H4. Looking at what actually happened, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, that's the V pattern. Okay, that's the pin bar. So if price gaps lower, it might find support somewhere around this area or find support somewhere around that region before it pushes up. But the main idea is that you want to look for sell opportunities somewhere along the way, because that bearish pin bar on weekly, it's actually showing us what the bigger time frame it's doing. And then it's possible to get some sort of a move there like that. Okay, stop losses here being cleared and all that before price starts pushing up. So what we want to do, it's even possible to get a harmonic pattern of some sort that will allow us to capitalize that pin bar. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. Nothing heavy. I don't want to make this complicated. I just want to make it simple. But if we get a gap to the downside, okay, wait for these guys to be cleaned. To get the gap to the upside, obviously you cannot start buying and you cannot start selling, because your main reference is these guys or these guys, okay, or somewhere inside there, okay, towards the high. Because if you want to trade this high this week, you'll actually be violating that pin bar, because this is the highest part of the pin bar. And if you are using the pin bar as your trigger signal, you don't want this high to be cleared. Otherwise, whole thing becomes invalid. I hope it makes sense. Should you have any questions, feel free. Follow the Telegram channel. That's where I keep updates about the free online classes and everything. Like the video, dislike the video. If you think this is crap, leave a comment in the description box down below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified instantly when I upload new videos. Otherwise, have a great trading week, guys, and please do not gamble. Stay away from gambling. Stay away from noise. I know you guys love groups. You guys are in groups where people will be telling you to buy randomly, buy or sell, or Nasdaq is gonna go up, or Nasdaq is gonna go high. Stay away from noise, guys. There isn't anyone who have made it while they were surrounded, while they were subjected to different psychologists or different opinions. You need to have a clear head in order to be able to do this. It's the same as trying to climb a ladder. Okay, a group of people trying to climb a ladder together. There's no way that you're gonna do that. There's most of the times there's one person who's holding the ladder down there while another one climbs. But if you are like 4,000 or 6,000 or 15,000, you are climbing the same ladder. It's either the ladder will break, and when it breaks, all of you are going to fall. All of you are going to fall. So stay away from trying to climb high or as a group with noise. That is why I make sure that I created the channel, not the group, because with the group, everyone it can come with their opinion and all that. So I do not want to mislead people. And the truth is, stay away from noise. Calculate your risk, because this is a very risky environment, very risky business. So you want to make sure that whatever risk that you're taking, it's a calculated risk. Stay away from taking multiple trades, because most people find that you fund an account with 2,000 rands and you take multiple trades, and then you blow easily, only to find that each one of those trades was just minus 400. Probably if you didn't multiply this, you wouldn't have blown. Maybe price would have gone to minus 1,000 before it went in your favor. So stay out from stacking up trades. And yeah, that's one thing that I can say. And yeah, stay safe, stay at home, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, share the video. Shh. Wait a minute. There's one thing. Also check the news events before you do other things, because there could be some heavy news. There could be some heavy news events. Before you look at these things, always check the news events. If there are any heavy news events, let's see if we can get the calendar. Jump to the calendar. There we go. So yeah, we have this on the USD. We don't have any heavy economic news for the dollar. Always check those things, okay? Because they also affect the news. American news also affect and Nasdaq. Okay, so if you're looking to trade currencies and all that, I do trade currencies. I don't only trade Nasdaq. So also look at this particular events. So this is nothing but the non-farm payroll for CAD. Okay, it's nothing but the NFP for CAD in a way. That's gonna be a nice one on Thursday. Wednesday, there's the OPEC meeting. So I love trading oil. So this is gonna be a game changer as well as to what the future for oil is gonna be, especially during this coronavirus. So yeah, we'll see. So always check the calendar before you take trades. It's very important. Should you have any questions, hit me up. There's a link in the description box below for the Telegram channel and all that, and Shandis. Otherwise,